Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the Stone Hover widget brought to you by the Ultimate Post Kit add-on for Elementor. Stone Hover is a unique slider type widget that presents a single window where all items share a single view but are stacked together. Hovering over the items changes the shared view like a full-width borderless display. Only two options you will find in the layout section that lets you change the height of the widget items and then the image dimensions. From the query section, you can change the number of displayed items by the item limit switcher. Here, you can select the source that is displayed on the screen and then select filters to specify what exactly to show. For example, you can use include field here to select terms and then type in a category name in the field below. Select it and the only selected category posts will be displayed on the screen. That's how the filters work. There are additional sorting options you can use further. In the additional section, you will find a bunch of switches to show or hide certain elements from the widget such as title, category, author, etc. You can see a separator field near the bottom. Did you notice the meta text under the item title when hovered? There is the separator and you can customize it from here. Now you can jump into the style tab. The first section here lets you add content padding to shrink down the content area for making the view look more refined. Just unlink the fields and customize each value further. Then you can change the item border color here. The border is the thin line between two items. Comes with border width and overlay color options. Next, in the title section, you can go ahead and choose a color for hover. Then from typography, let's customize the title font. First, the font family, then size and weight. You can use text shadow to add a 3D vibe to the title text. Then let's switch to the category section. From here, we can go for the category background color first, followed by the category text color option. You may choose a border style and customize the border width and color. Then, put values in the border radius field to curve the edges of the category background. And don't forget to go for the typography options for the button. Lastly, the meta section lets you change the color of the meta text. First, the normal mode color and then the hover mode color. Finish it off with the typography adjustments. Now minimize the control panel and see how awesome the display looks now. It's easy to customize and create such awesome sliders using the Stone Hover widget by Ultimate Post Kit. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updates on new tutorial videos. Then stay safe and see you next time.